That breaking news, former Des Moines school superintendent Dr. Ian Roberts is facing a federal gun charge of being an illegal alien in possession of firearms.
Earlier today, we confirmed Roberts was no longer in the Woodbury County Jail in Sioux City, but remains in federal custody right now. Roberts was arrested by ICE agents who say he was in the country illegally and had no work authorization. Today, Woodbury County Jail officials say Roberts was taken into custody by the U.S. Department of Justice on a federal warrant for his arrest. KCCI has reached out to federal authorities for more information on exactly where Roberts is right now, but we have not heard back. Well, newly released federal court documents are sharing details from the morning Roberts was detained and what investigators have learned so far.
Some of that includes answers to questions regarding Roberts' legal status. KCCI's Kayla James spent the afternoon pouring through those documents. She joins us now to tell us what she found. Kayla?
Well, Ben and Jody, those documents include past judges' orders as well as details from search warrants, some showing that in addition to a gun found in the vehicle he's said to have been driving, 3 more were found in his home. Federal law holds a non-citizen is not allowed to own a firearm. The criminal complaint also shows Dr. Roberts has not had lawful employment authorization since 2020. Federal court documents show from December 18, 2018 to December 18, 2019. And from then until December 18, 2020, Roberts had lawful employment authorization. A criminal complaint also shows Roberts filed for an application to register a permanent residence or adjust status 4 times, once in 2001 and 3 times in 2018. Court records also show U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services rejected those applications. Now, prior to Roberts working at Des Moines Public Schools beginning in mid-2023, he served as superintendent of the Mill Creek Township School District in Pennsylvania. They shared a statement with us saying in part, quote, "We are most disappointed to learn about his lack of citizenship and educational credentialing." Going on to say he represented to them that he was a U.S. citizen. The Mill Creek Township School District went on to note it is weighing options for litigation against Roberts and a search firm that handled his background check. Now, we did reach out to Des Moines Public Schools as well as his attorney with the Parrish Crudiner law firm regarding what we've learned from these court documents. His attorney saying they will make statements during a town hall that's scheduled for tonight.